Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, izolo sifake ivideo la ebesikhuluma khona nge-article ebeyibhalwe i-IOL mayelana noFloyd Shivambu ukuthi kunabantu abathi basondelene kakhulu nopresident womkhonto wesizwe uJacob Zuma futhi abangagculisekile ngoFloyd. Ngaleso sizathu bafuna ukuthi uFloyd angabe saba uSecretary General akaphume nje leso sikhundla bathi iqembu alikhulu alithuthuki uFloyd ushuthi incompetent ngoba izinto abeka mnikeza imandate ukuthi achieve akazi-achievanga. Enhlahla ke uFloyd uphendulile yena wazikhulumela kanti nopresident womkhonto wesizwe party ukhulumile. Into engizoyenza manje ngizocaphuna upresident womkhonto wesizwe party emveni kwalapho bese sicaphuna uFloyd sizwe ukuthi uthini yena.
What you call? To do what you call.
Are you unified as a party?
What's the question?
It's a question. Are you unified?
We?
Yes, as MK?
Not incredible. Hey, who told you as we unified?
No one told me. I'm asking this question. Are you
Why are you
unified?
asking this
It's
question?
an important question.
How important is it? We are unified.
Okay.
We are, definitely.
Lana ke bayambuza upresident uJacob Zuma ukuthi ngabe babamsene na bahlangene na ezi umkhonto wesizwe party kodwa enobuza ukuthi why lo sisebuza umubuzo uthi cha ngiyabuza kodwa nami ngiyintatheli ngithola ithuba bengingambuza ngempela emveni kokufunda le article ebibhale IOL ngoba phela iIOL ishilo yathi nomthombo othembekile wangaphakathi kumkhonto wesizwe party okuyiyona ekhiphele lezi ndaba. Ngiyacela ngaphambi sicaphuna uFloyd usubscribe ku-channel, ulike ivideo, ushare, ucomment. Ungajoyina ne-membership yale channel iqala ku-R20 ngenyanga kuya phezulu ukuze uyisupporte le channel. Kodwa ngikusho kapresident yena nje ngokwazi kwakhe iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party libamsene. NoFloyd naye bambuzela umbuzo ofanayo. Naye ube nempendulo ke mayelana nalo mbuzo abuzwe wona. Ngithi angiyenze le video ngoba phela ngiyenzile le ebekhuluma nge-article ebhalwe i-IOL. Manje ke lana sithola yena uFloyd eziphendulela ngokwakhe okuyinto ebaluleke kakhulu leyo. Ngicela uzwe la.
Umkhonto wesizwe is the most united organization in South Africa. They are anonymous elements that we do not know. There's never been anyone who came to a meeting of Umkhonto wesizwe to express a view about any of its leaders. Not in this meeting, not in any provincial meeting. There's never been anyone who came to say that the national chairperson, deputy chair, secretary general is not suitable. The people who are trying to say that are faceless, cowards, who have never said that in any meeting of Umkhonto wesizwe. As far as we're concerned, we've got a solid and united leadership that is reading from the same hymn book. We are on the same agenda of consolidating the structures of the organization. There's robust engagements internally in terms of the direction of the organization. It happens in that way when the organization is growing that there will be different perspectives on the pace, on the form and content of its growth. But the organization is growing and we are not aware of any dissenting voices. And of course, if there are dissenting voices, we'll listen to them because we're an organization that is transparent and engages with all views that are brought to our attention. But thus far, there is no one who has got a name and surname and an ID number who has come to say that they've got concerns about the direction of the organization.
Njengoba umuzwa ku-Secretary General ethi bona kumkhonto wesizwe party babamsene futhi akekho umuntu osavelile wathi khona la angagculisekile khona kuma-meeting ababa nawo. Ma uzokhumbula kwivideo edlulile ngichazile ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uba nama-meeting la abahlangana khona ukuze kukhethwe abantu abangene kuma-detachments makwakhiwa ama-structure. Umama uBusiwe Mkhwebane wasichaza ethi kuhlanganwa kuma-meeting ku-electwa abantu bese lawa amagama abantu esuka kwi-National High Command. Noma-ke kuthiwa khona abangagculisekile phela ngabe ivelile ikhalo kodwa-ke uthi-ke uSecretary General labantu laba abaveza lezi nkulumo zokuthi khona abangagculisekile ba-faceless. Akekho nje uphumela obalaziyo ukuthi yena ubani. Uthi futhi akekho umuntu onegama nesibongo ne-ID number owaziwayo nje ukuthi khona angagculisekile noma bekulalela-ke iy'nkulumo ey'velayo ngoba phela iqembu malikhona vele liyaba nemibono engafani kodwa nje yena akwaziyo wazi ukuthi bona njengomkhonto wesizwe phathi Baba Msene ilokho besifuneka sikwazi basicacisele khona ngoba phela i-IOL ibhale nayo ithi izwe ngomthombo othembekile wangaphakathi eqenjini asiphinde siqhubeke nayo Floyd.
We don't know anyone of that nature.
What about
No one.
What about Duduzile Masambula?
I think the issue of Mr. Duduzile is handled elsewhere as part of the disciplinary issues, but there's never been any member of Umkhonto Wesizwe who came to a formal structure of Umkhonto Wesizwe to any meeting to express any view about the leadership direction of Umkhonto Wesizwe. That is the absolute fact. So there is nowhere in the minutes of Umkhonto Wesizwe or even in the records of who says what, where. There's never been anyone who raised concerns about the direction of the organization in the manner that it is. And if they raise those issues, we'll then get to listen to them and then be able to clarify as to just how do we move forward. But otherwise, we're not concerned about all those issues. What our concern is now is to establish presence in all the voting districts, in all the wards, in all the municipalities, in all the districts, and then prepare for victory in the upcoming elections.
Bambuzile ukuthi uma ithi yena akekho nomuntu oyedwa okhomisa ukungagculiseki, how about uDuduzile Zuma? Uyaphendula kuFloyd uthi indaba kaDuduzile Zuma iseceleni ngoba kumanje disciplinary process, so angeke aze ayikhulume kodwa akekho noyedwa umuntu oke wavela waleya i-complaint kuma-formal structures. Yabona ukubaluleka kokuba ne-constitution nanesikole nje ukwazi ukuthi uma une-complaint uya kuma-structures ucomplaine ngendlela e-right ukuze udaba lakho lu-attend. Manje-ke ngishilo kodwa nami ngathi labantu laba abavela manje sebethi uFloyd abamzwisisi kukhona into angazenzi kahle abawona amalungu omkhonto wesizwe phathi ngoba ukube bebeyiwo bebezoyivikele i-political party yabo. Ngithi-ke angenze le video ukuze phela sireporte ukuthi cha uFloyd ugcine seziphendulele ngoba besigcine sazi isayide elilodwa esizwe ngabe IOL nabo futhi bethi belithole kumthombo othembekile wangaphakathi. Ngokusho-ke kuka-President uJacob Zuma nangokusho kuka-Floyd Nyiko Shivambu, hhayi umthombo othembekile okushilo akulona iqiniso. Bona nje as umkhonto wesizwe phathi Baba Msene sibonile nje bebeseNamibia uDuduzile Zuma bekahamba noFloyd bebamba bobabili. So kusho lukhulu lokho ngoba ukhombisa ukuthi iy'nkinga zabo sebezibeka eceleni ngoba ekugcineni kosuku ofuna babeke iqembu phambili bese bona belandela ngemuva. Angifisi-ke le video beyinde asiyibambe la kodwa nje bengithi angililethe lolu daba kuwe wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngeqembu lakho olulandelayo noluthandayo. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.